Have you ever wondered what goes on inside a Snickers factory? That rich, creamy chocolate, the gooey caramel, and the crunchy peanuts. How do all these ingredients come together so perfectly? Imagine a massive, high-tech production line working with absolute precision, churning out thousands of Snickers bars every minute. From mixing the ingredients and shaping the bars to coating them in silky chocolate, every step in the process is a marvel of modern engineering. So, what does it take to transform raw ingredients into the legendary Snickers bar you love? Let's step inside the factory and uncover the secrets behind this iconic treat right now. The journey of crafting a Snickers bar commences with a careful selection of premium ingredients such as peanuts, caramel, and nougat. This meticulous handpicking ensures that only the finest components contribute to the creation of each treat, underscoring the importance of quality checks in this intricate process. Following the selection, the production of nougat and caramel demands an exacting degree of temperature control and mixing techniques. These are not mere steps, they are the very foundation upon which the perfect textures of these components are built, each layer intricately weaving into the rich tapestry of the Snickers experience. As we transition to the final assembly, the meticulous enrobing process comes into play. Here, each bar receives its luscious chocolate coating, a vital step that ensures compliance with rigorous quality standards prior to reaching the hands of consumers. It is at this juncture that technology emerges as an indispensable ally. Cooling tunnels further enhance this process, playing an essential role in solidifying the chocolate coating uniformly. This careful management prevents not just dullness or cracks but embodies the commitment to quality, ensuring that each Snickers bar maintains its visual and textural integrity. Moreover, the global distribution network for Snickers bars is a marvel of logistics, requiring seamless coordination across various transportation methods. This network guarantees that every bar arrives in impeccable condition, facilitated by climate-controlled facilities that play a crucial part in preserving freshness. Mars Incorporated demonstrates its dedication to ecological sustainability in its ingredient sourcing, particularly with peanuts and cocoa. By ensuring fair treatment for farmers and striving to reduce its carbon footprint, the company not only benefits the environment but also uplifts the communities that nurture these crops. The careful selection of hazelnuts is another testament to this commitment. Factors such as flavor, color, and texture undergo rigorous evaluation to ensure that each nut contributes to the consistent quality across millions of chocolates produced daily. This dedication underscores the brand's pursuit of excellence. Furthermore, artificial intelligence emerges as a game-changer in maintaining optimal production conditions. By adjusting temperatures in real time, AI technology guarantees the uniform texture and shape of wafer balls, effectively minimizing the potential for human error and enhancing the overall quality. In the final wrapping phase, AI technology enhances efficiency, ensuring that each piece of chocolate is exquisitely wrapped and primed for distribution. This innovative approach not only streamlines operations but also bolsters Ferrero Rocher's stature on the global stage. Quality control serves as a cornerstone in Ferrero Rocher's production process. Machines diligently inspect for visual imperfections while human testers diligently verify taste consistency. This dual approach guarantees that every product meets the high standards set by the brand. Moreover, artificial intelligence enhances Ferrero Rocher's supply chain management by optimizing inventory and accurately forecasting demand. This strategic use of technology enables the company to minimize waste while effectively addressing customer needs. Since its inception in 1982, Ferrero Rocher's commitment to luxury and quality has positioned its brand as a preeminent symbol of indulgence. The meticulous attention to detail not only sets it apart but also captivates the hearts of chocolate lovers worldwide. Transitioning to the slicing process, razor-sharp blades are expertly calibrated to guarantee uniformity. This precision is crucial, as it not only enhances the visual appeal of each noodle but also ensures even cooking, leading to a superior culinary experience. The steaming of noodles marks another vital phase, transforming raw dough into convenient meals. This essential process ensures that each portion aligns with customer expectations regarding both quantity and consistency, reinforcing quality as a priority. Flavor packets play a pivotal role in elevating the taste of the noodles. Coupled with a meticulous sealing process, they protect freshness and guard against spoilage, thereby ensuring an enjoyable meal experience that delights every palate. In the pursuit of sustainability, factories have begun implementing innovative water-saving technologies, significantly reducing water usage during noodle production. This commitment to environmentally friendly operations contributes to a more sustainable future. Additionally, investment in renewable energy sources, including solar panels and wind turbines, assists factories in dramatically lowering their energy consumption. The resulting cost savings not only benefit the facilities but ultimately extend to the consumers that cherish their products. Lastly, the precision engineering of machinery within these factories ensures that every noodle produced maintains a high standard of quality. This commitment showcases the impressive technological advancements hallmarking the modern noodle production process. The creation of the Snickers bar is a remarkable fusion of nougat, caramel, peanuts, and chocolate, culminating in a delightful harmony of sweet and salty flavors. This innovative recipe distinguishes it from other confectionaries, capturing the hearts and taste buds of many. Delving into the manufacturing process reveals an intricate dance of industrial-scale production, where nougat and caramel are crafted with precision. Here, maintaining optimal temperature and consistency emerges as essential components, ensuring the quality of each Snickers bar. Equally critical is the roasting process of peanuts, which yields that perfect crunch, an exquisite counterpart to the chewy nougat and silky caramel. Remarkably, each Snickers bar contains about 16 peanuts, meticulously included to achieve an optimal flavor balance. Transitioning to the chocolate coating, a double dip technique is employed, guaranteeing a thick layer that enhances the signature crunch of the bar. This method not only amplifies the overall taste but also enriches the texture, an experience that elevates every bite. Once coated, the Snickers bars journey through a cooling tunnel, a vital stage ensuring the solidification of the chocolate. This process is paramount, as it preserves the quality and flavor integrity before the bars are sliced into distinct, delightful pieces. To maintain their esteemed reputation, Snickers bars undergo stringent quality control checks. Each piece is meticulously inspected for weight and peanut distribution, ensuring that only the finest products make their way to consumers. Interestingly, the original name, Penny Cups, reflected their affordability during challenging economic times, rendering them accessible and favored by consumers. This strategic pricing significantly contributed to their widespread success. In a parallel realm, Reese's employs carefully selected peanut varieties sourced from southern U.S. farms, celebrated for their rich flavor. This meticulous selection process is pivotal in upholding the brand's esteemed reputation for quality. Moreover, the chocolate coating process for Reese's involves tempering, a technique that ensures a smooth finish while preventing melting. This craftsmanship results in the satisfying snap when bitten into, further enhancing the consumer's overall experience. Striking the perfect balance in chocolate coating is crucial, as it enriches the peanut butter flavor without overshadowing it. This precision is essential for preserving the classic Reese's taste that has garnered a loyal following. Equally important is the cooling process, which solidifies the chocolate and guarantees that satisfying snap upon biting. This controlled environment plays a significant role in maintaining the integrity of the creamy peanut butter filling. Hershey's unwavering commitment to sustainability entails responsible sourcing of peanuts and investments in energy-efficient practices. These initiatives not only bolster local farmers but also seek to mitigate environmental impacts, demonstrating a model for corporate responsibility. Conversely, palm oil serves as a crucial ingredient in Oreo filling, offering a plant-based alternative that retains a solid form at room temperature. Nonetheless, the production of palm oil raises significant environmental concerns, shining a light on the complexities of sustainable sourcing. To achieve the quintessential sweetness and texture for Oreos, various types of sugars, such as high-fructose corn syrup and sucrose, are blended with precision. It becomes evident that meticulous handling of these ingredients is vital to avoid unwanted graininess. Quality control teams diligently test the dough's sweetness, texture, and moisture levels, ensuring that each batch of Oreo cookies consistently meets the high standards expected by discerning consumers. The cookie-making process is an exercise in precision, where exact measurements and careful mixing yield a soft dough that takes on the familiar Oreo shape. This efficient method is key to achieving the high production rates necessary for market demand. A specialized pump guarantees that each cookie receives the ideal amount of vanilla cream filling, underscoring the attention to detail inherent in Oreo production. This dedication contributes significantly to the consistency and enjoyment of the final product. Lastly, Oreo's incorporation of bioengineered ingredients ensures a stable supply of raw materials, all stringently tested for safety. This innovative approach not only reflects the brand's commitment to quality but also fortifies consumer trust in every delicious bite. And there you have it, the incredible journey of how a simple set of ingredients turns into the beloved Snickers bar we all know and crave. From the precise machinery to the careful attention to detail, it's clear that a lot goes into making each bar just right. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look into the making of Snickers, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating factory tours and insights. And hey, drop a comment below. What other products would you love to see made from scratch? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.